Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A52, and today I will show you how we can connect AirPods to this smartphone. So the first we have to move to navigation bar, then click and hold Bluetooth icon to enter Bluetooth settings. Right now we have to open charging case of our AirPods, then rotate them like that and click and hold this button until they move to the pairing mode. So click and hold, and when this indicator starts blinking, it means that they are in the pairing mode, so we can release that key. Next we have to tap on the switcher on the right upper corner to turn on Bluetooth on our smartphone, and as you can see, AirPods pops on the list, so we can simply tap on them. Then hit the OK button to confirm, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.